Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tabik pun introduce my name Muhammad Giri Ishak, NPM 2053041003. Here I will convey material about getting to Seven Summit Indonesia. Not only famous as a ring of fire road, Indonesia is also known to have many of the highest mountains. This list of the highest peaks in Indonesia carries the name of the country as a target for sport tourism destination for tourists who like challenge. Sport tourism is tourism that combines sport and tourism. Recently, sport tourism has been loved by both local and foreign tourists. One type of sports tourism that has many fans is mountain climbing. Currently, the world has a list of mountains, included in the World 7 Summit to climb. But not to be outdone, Indonesia also has a list of 7 Summit Indonesia. The following is a list of the highest peaks in Indonesia that will test our adrenaline. 1. Tens Pyramid atau Puncak Jaya. Puncak Jaya, or also known as Kartens Pyramid in Papua, is one of the highest peaks in Indonesia. The mountain, which is the location for sport tourism, has a height of 4.884 meters above sea level mark. The highest peak in Indonesia is a rock mountain, limestone, with eternal snow. In addition to being the highest peak in Indonesia, Kartens Pyramid has also been named one of the world's 7 summits. 2. Mount Kerinci. Being the highest mountain on the east island of Sumatra, Mount Kerinci deserves to be named as one of the 7 summits of Indonesia. Mount Kerinci has a height of 3.805 miles. The location of Mount Kerinci is on the border between West Sumatra and Jambi. Mount Kerinci is located in the Kerinci Seblat National Park, which is also the largest national park in Indonesia. One of the 7 summits of Indonesia has been designated as a World Heritage Site in the category of Tropical Rainforest Heritage of Sumatra. In addition, Mount Kerinci also holds the status as the highest volcano in Southeast Asia. 3. Semeru Mountain. Located on the border of Malang and Lumajang regions, Mount Semeru is one of the highest peaks in Indonesia. Mount Semeru has a height of 3.676 meter above sea level. Mount Semeru is one of the active volcanoes in Indonesia. So that every 20 minutes the crater emits volcanic ash. Seven Summit Indonesia is under the supervision of the administration of Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. 4. Mount Rinjani included in one of the seven summits of Indonesia. Mount Rinjani is the highest mountain in the Lesser Sunda Archipelago. Mount Rinjani has a height of 3.726 meter above sea level. Mount Rinjani is the second highest active volcano in Indonesia. One of the highest peaks in Indonesia is located on the island of Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara. One of the attractions of Mount Rinjani is the caldera lake at its peak. To reach the highest peak in Indonesia, we can pass through two climbing routes, namely from Sembalun and Senaru. 5. Mount Bukit Raya. Kalimantan Island is also one of the locations for sport tourism, which is included in the Seven Summit Indonesia. Mount Bukit Raya has a height of 2.278 meters above sea level and is included in the rank of the highest peaks in Indonesia. Mount Bukit Raya is located on the border of West Kalimantan and Central Kalimantan. Administratively, the highest peak in Indonesia is under the supervision of the Bukit Baka Bukit Raya National Park. Mount Bukit Raya is not a volcano. 6. Mount Latimojong. Seven Summit Indonesia is also located on the east island of Sulawesi, precisely on Mount Latimojong, which has an altitude of 3.430 meter above sea level. The highest peak of Mount Latimojong is at the top of Rantai Mario. One of the attractions of Mount Latimojong is the variety of animal species that inhabit this location. If lucky, we can meet anoa and deer pigs during the hike. The climbing route that is commonly used to reach the top of Rantai Mario is the Braka District Road. 7. And last, Mount Binaya. Mount Binaya is one of the highest peaks in Indonesia. Located in the Maluku Island, the peak of Binaya has an altitude of 3.027 meter above sea level and is located on the island of Seram, Maluku. Mount Binaya belongs to the Karst Mountain and is not active. The uniqueness of this mountain is its very Montana. Mount Binaya has forests with coastal ecosystem, swamp forest, lowland rainforest, mountain rainforest to subalpine forest.